Hey there, we are here in the heart of Vienna, Virginia, and we are going to tour this beautiful brand new home right behind me. It's a 2023 built 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, a little over 5,100 square feet, and it has 2-car garage. So let's check it out.
This luxurious new home has a modern, open floor plan featuring red oak flooring and 10-foot ceilings throughout the main floor.
The gourmet kitchen is featuring high-end appliances, quartz countertops, and a large island with breakfast bar and eat-in area, a large pantry, and lots of cabinets. The main level has designer light fixtures and exposed beam, which are nice touches. The house has a large primary bedroom with tray ceilings and a fireplace. So let's check out the bathroom for a little bit. The primary bathroom has a standalone soaking tub, a large shower, and double vanities.
The rest of the upper level contains a large laundry room, 3 additional bedrooms, two bathrooms, and access to the rooftop deck.
The upper level balcony is a nice touch to the house as it gives you more options for outdoor space. On the lower level, the house has a large recreation room with a wet bar and a walk up to the backyard. It also has 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom.
And this is it for your luxury home tour in Vienna. If you would like to see homes in Vienna or another city, contact us anytime. Take care.